the VacLife Portable Vacuum. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the VacLife Portable Vacuum Cleaner, model VL726. I will go over specs, features, and then do a brief demonstration. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. This vacuum is a cordless design and it has a digital display, multiple accessory attachments, and it takes about 4 hours to fully charge, and a runtime of 20 minutes, 18 minutes with the motorized brush. It has a 75 watt motor and runs at 35,000 RPMs. It has a roller attached that is washable and easy to clean and has an LED light. This has multiple purposes and it can be used in the living room, kitchens, office, and automobile, just to name a few. Inside it comes with a power adapter, HEPA filter, cleaning brush, motorized brush, dusting brush, crevice nozzle, and user manual. Taking a look at the vacuum, you have the charge port, power switch, LED button, battery indicator, dust cup release, LED light, HEPA filter, pre-filter, and the dust cup. The vacuum is light and easy to grip with the handle. It also maneuvers well. Here you can see the brightness of the LED light. Opening the dust cup is just a matter of pressing the button on the front. It will separate from the main unit and you can empty out the debris along with accessing the filters and cleaning them. The filters can be rinsed out for maintenance. As mentioned, this comes with 3 attachments. In particular, you have the motorized brush, which is good for pet hair and upholstery. It's tangle-free and easy maintenance with its silicone roller. Now here's a quick demo with the vacuum. Here's the motorized roller attached. Overall, the vacuum worked well. The suction was sufficient and it was able to pick up the debris. I like the multiple attachments and the build feels solid. It's easy to maintain and it's versatile and can be used in many settings. So that is my review of the VacLife Portable Vacuum VL726. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.